You're stuck with both of us today.
Good morning. I have convinced Dave, well, I need to go to Sam's Club because I really like their coffee, and I thought I'd do a little shopping, and Jesse wouldn't go with me. So Dave, I think I made a mistake.
Oh, butler.
Oh, I can get in up there.
It's a madhouse. Whose idea was it to go to the store before Christmas?
I told you I was gonna look around at stuff. I told you that I was doing a little Christmas shopping. You act like it's all a big surprise.
I thought we were just going for coffee.
No.
Get in, get out.
No. So you can stay in the car, do a little something for the people, and I'll go in and get what I think I need.
Moraine Point Plaza. Oh my God.
Hey, last time we were here, you know what we did? Saw the Jackass movie.
Jackass for life.
He said it, not me.
I desperately don't want to go in here.
Oh wait, hold on, Dave. Do you want to go check out this stuff over here? Check out the clothes, or?
No. No, I don't.
36er?
We could get a pallet of Pepsi. Get on board with that. Alright, coffee. Need coffee.
Now we gotta grind it. I have a grinder at home. And it's like messy and annoying, so.
Don't work.
Head on row.
Nope. I don't think it works. I think it's unplugged. Okay. Let's see if that works.
One way to get in.
Yeah. Did it work?
I don't know yet.
Fixed it.
Woo!
Want this?
Hold on.
Oh.
It says it's in the big book.
You ready?
Yeah, it must have needed to do something. It's optimizing
I just
ads.
updated mine the other day. It wasn't too awful. I got some hot dogs out of the deal.
Dinner.
Sam's Club was a success. Now Heidi wants to go to Ross. I will be sitting this one out. Be hanging out in the car. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Over to my right here is Kay's Jewelers. That's where I got Heidi her wedding ring. Aww. Better put her in EV mode. Just to be safe. Taking the interstate back home, gonna stop at the Love's. Gas with the Upside app is $3.17.
But if we went to Ohio, it'd be even less.
Yeah, I might be able to get it under $3.
I know. I did that on Thursday.
Yeah.
But we don't live in Ohio.
Close. Close.
Close.
Holy moly. I'm gonna be in line.
I feel like the 70s, whenever they had, I mean, I wasn't born when I was born in the 70s, but you see pictures in the 70s where people were like way backed up for fuel and...
This might be a nightmare. This place is a madhouse. I mean, there are cars and trucks everywhere. Holy moly. 'Tis the season. And got Country Fair, $3.89. Nobody getting gas. Not one person. And we're home. Finally.
Time to wrap.
That was a whole day adventure. See you tomorrow.